Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to create a clothing website on Squarespace. So currently I am on the Squarespace website. So the very first thing that you should do is you have to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to type out Squarespace. Okay, and then just have to click on enter and you'd be able to see this first website. So you just have to click on this one. And then here you'd be directed to the Squarespace website. So when you scroll down right here, you'd be able to see the overview of this website. So the website templates for every purpose. So you'd be able to see here all of the details. And here at the top, when you click on the products, here you can create a website, sell anything, and then build your brand. Okay, and then for the resources, you'd be able to see these details made with Squarespace, the Squarespace blog, help center forum, and more. So when you go to the template section, you'd be able to see here all of the templates that you can use on Squarespace. Okay, so currently you can use everything right here when you have created your account just now, because you'll have 14 days free trial. Just click on the login option and then you can continue with Google, with Apple, or with your Facebook account. So I'm just going to log in with my Google account, and then after that you'll be redirected now to your dashboard. Okay, so what you can do now is to click on the create website option. Okay, so when you clicked on it, you'd be directed to this section where you can select your template. But before that, make sure that you have set up your account. So to check that, you just have to click on your account at the top right of your screen, this one, and then go to your account dashboard. Okay, so when you clicked on the account dashboard, and you'll be directed to this page. Okay, so here just click on your account settings and you'll be able to see here now your account. So you have your first name, your last name, your display name, and other details. So now what you're going to do is to click on the create website option. Okay, and then right here on the templates section, we'll then just have to select the type of website that we want to use or that we want to create. So we're going to select online store, and then if we cannot find here the templates that we are looking for, just go to the fashion section, and then here you'll be able to see the best template matches. Okay, so currently we are looking for a template for our clothing store. So I think I found my template, so I think this one. So you just have to click on it, and then here you just have to continue to customize the styles, add features, and more when you start a trial. So we have here the sample color presets. So for example, we are going to use this one, so you just have to click on the start with this design, or you can also view the demo site first. So this is the demo site, and then here we are going to create a site like this. Okay, so here if you think this template is functional for the website that you are trying to create, then all you have to do now is to edit and customize this template. Okay, so let's go back to our template section and then start customizing this template. Okay, so let me just show you here a more detailed explanation. So here just click on the start with this design, and then just have to wait for a couple of seconds while they're setting up your website. Okay, so after that, they're now saving your colors in just a few more moments, and you'd be directed to this page where you can now start customizing this template. So here, welcome to your site. So creating a beautiful site is the best way to bring your ideas to life. So here are a few things to get started. So you have to add here your site title. So I'm just going to tap out right here where your style, and then just click on next after that. Here to add, edit, and remove text or images, and to customize a page, use edit. You can customize every section on a page. Next, here the next thing that you should do is to click on this one, so add and remove pages in the pages panel. So when you're done, organize them to create a navigation menu that helps your users explore your site. Okay, and then click on the get started after that. And here you just have to style your site. You use the site styles panel to define your site's unique designs. Okay, so this is now the template that we are going to customize, and this is the mobile view for this template. Okay, so this template is responsive. So what we're going to do now is to click on the website option, and here when we clicked on the menus at the top, as you can see, we'd redirected to that specific page. Okay, now to start customizing this one, just click on the edit option at the top left of this section. Okay, so now to start customizing this one, all we have to do is to click on a specific product. Okay, so for example, this product right here. So in this video, we are going to add maybe dress for adults and dress for kids for summer. Okay, so let's start with this one. So when you clicked on that specific product, right here, you'd be able to see all of the products that are available. So we can customize these products, or we can also delete a specific product that we think we don't need. And of course, we can also add our own. So let's start by customizing this, by deleting this product first. So to delete it, just click on it and click on delete. Now just click on this product, and then if you would like to customize this one, all you have to do is to click on the product once again. Okay, so say for example, we are going to change the name of this product as well as the price and the description and the other details as well. So just click on the product and you'll be able to see this edit product option. So just click on this one. Okay, and then you'd be directed to this page. And now create your first product. To start by filling out the product name and adding an image. So we are going to change this to dress for summer. And then we are going to add a detail that this dress is for adults only. So I'm going to tap it right here, summer dress. Okay, and then here we are going to delete this existing image. And then here we are going to add our own image. Just click on upload file or select from the library. Okay, so I'm going to add here my own image after that one. So here is your library. So if you have photos or images on your library, you'd be able to see that right here. Okay, so I'm going to add now my image, and then I'm going to change the name of this product as well. Okay, so after that one, now set up your inventories, add price and available quantity of your product. So here we are going to type out the price, and then if this product is unlimited, so I just have to toggle the switch on for this one and click on add more details. And now for the details, so we have here images, inventory, fulfillment, organization, selling tools, marketing, and checkout. So for the inventory, we have this settings. Okay, so we just have to customize this one, so we can upload here the different variations, the stock, the price, and then the dimensions. Okay, so after customizing this one, you can now go back. So let's proceed to the fulfillment. So allow buyers to select how they'd like to receive this product, like for example, local pickup or ground shipping. Okay, and then you just have to set up the fulfillment profiles right here. Then for the shipping, the weight and the dimensions. Next one is the organizations. So here for the visibility, make sure to set this to public so that everyone can see this product. Okay, and then for the categories, so you just have to add that right here. For example, we are going to add here a new category. So since this one is dress, so we are going to select tops and then bottoms. Okay, so you just have to check the box and then you just have to tap your screen. Now for the selling tools, we have here the product add-ons to upsell customers with product add-ons directly on the product page. You just have to add it right here and then select the product that add-ons to upsell with your featured product. Okay, then after selecting the product, just go back and now let's proceed to the selling tools. Okay, so you can see here's all the related products and then the product reviews. So after finalizing this one, so we also have here the checkout. So this is the last step. So if you would like to collect information with customers, add this to the cart. You just have to add here the form field. So just click on the add form field, and then you just have to select text, or you want to have their names. Okay, as well as their emails. So just click on the add form fields. Okay, and then after adding the form fields, all you have to do now is to click on the save option at the bottom right. Okay, that one. Next is just click on apply. And once you are done, you just have to click on the save option at the top right of your screen. Okay, so you can also customize the button label if you want to. So we have here the button labels. After that, just click on save at the top right of your screen, and then we'll be able to see that product right here. Okay, so what we did is we have customized an existing product. Now to add your own product, so for the second product, I'm going to add here a summer dress for kids. Okay, so here I'm just going to click on the plus icon at the top right at the right side, I mean at the left side. Okay, so just click on this one. Then after clicking on it, what do you want to sell? So we have your physical services, download gift card, or custom merch. So of course it should be a physical product. Next one is for the details. So we are starting with the product name and then the image. Okay, so for the product name, I'm going to name this one as summer dress for kids. Okay, and then after that one, you just have to type it right here, the description. Okay, so for the description, you can ask for an assistant with the AI. You just click on this AI option right here, and then what you're going to do next is to discuss if what kind of descriptions you need for the product that you are selling. Okay, so write a paragraph about kids' summer dress. And then, of course, you have an option where you can shorten this paragraph if you want to. Okay, so you can shorten this one or you can lengthen this one. Then after that one, let's now proceed to the additional information. So if you'd like to add additional information, just click on it. And for our next step is the images. So we are going to upload here now our second image, and then just click on open after that. And now for the inventory, we are going to type it right here, the price of this product. So we are going to sell this for 100 pesos. And then if this product is on sale, so you just click on this switch right here and then just type out the sale price. For example, 89 pesos. Okay, next one is the stock. So here, if you have unlimited products or unlimited stock, just click on this switch right here. And then if you have a number of products only, so you just have to click on this arrow. Okay, and then after that, let us now proceed to the variants. Okay, so still different versions of the same products. For example, a shirt that comes in multiple colors. So for example, right here, the color is blue. Okay, and then you just have to click on save after that. And then you can add an additional option as well. So here for the size, so we can change this one if you want to customize it. So just click on it. Then click on save after that. Okay, so now the next one is the subscription. So you can charge customers on a recurring basis and other discounts on your product page. So here we have one-time purchase and subscription, and then subscription only. And here you'd be able to see the frequency details. So you just have to, customize this settings. Okay, and then after customizing this one, you can now go back and then let's proceed to the next step. Okay, so let me just go back right here. Okay, so let me just click on the close option. And then right here for the fulfillment, here allow buyers to select how they'd like to receive this product. So for example, local pickup or ground shipping. So here, to set up the fulfillment profiles, you have to leave the editor settings. And then for the shipping, we have the weight and the dimensions. So you have to add that right here. And then the next one is we have the organization. So for the organization, we have here the categories. So create a categories to bucket products. Categories will appear in the store's navigation. So we only have tops for this one, and if you'd like to add more categories, just click on it. Now for the selling tools. So we have here product add-ons to upsell customers with product add-ons directly on the product page. Next one is the featured product. We also have the related products and then the product reviews. Okay, so the next one is we have the marketing. So we have the SEO and URL, and we have the social share as well. Okay, so next one is the social accounts. So to enable upcoming social accounts, when you publish products, turn these features and the connected account. So we have to leave the editor settings for this one. And finally, for the checked out, we have the custom forms and then the custom buttons. Then after finalizing these details, all you have to do now is to click on the save option at the top right of your screen, and you'd be able to see this product now on your website. So you just make sure to click on save and publish to publish this product. And as you can see right here, we already have this product. And when our customers visit this website, we'd be able to see here all of the products that are available on our website. So, for example, they want to buy this product on our shop. So, all they have to do is to click on the product and then click on the add to cart option. And then from there, they'll be able to get the product and proceed to the payment methods.
So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.